I still remember the trade I missed. The trend flipped, my stop got hit, and I thought there must be a clearer way to see the reversals. That's when I found NRTR or Nick Rypock Trailing Reverse. Today I show you our optimized MetaTrader 5 version, how to set up it, how it works, and what the backtest really says.
Right. We will walk through the setting, the logic behind NRTR, a live backtest with win rate, and finally where to get the indicator on MQL5. So, in the setting, first the percentage or coefficient of correction. This is your sensitivity knob. Higher values push the line farther from price, fewer, cleaner signals for volatile markets like gold or Nasdaq 100. Lower values keep the line close. Faster signals for clamor pairs like Euro USD or GBP USD and other Forex pairs. Turn on alerts or push notifications if you want real time buy sell messages. And if you enable the tester panel, you will see total trade wins or trades and win rate update right on the left of the chart. In my own trading, I start with 2% on measures and bump it to 3 or 4% on fast markets. NRTR tracks the highest or lowest price in the current leg and trails it by the percentage you set. When the price crosses the trailing level, the trend reverses. The line flips sides and you get a buy or sell label. Imagine you are long in an uptrend. NRTR stays green and lets you ride the move. Once price breaks the trailing level, it flips red. That's your clean cue to exit or reverse. It's trend following made visual, simple, and decisive. So now let's test it together. These are the parameters I choose for gold on 15-minute time frame and this indicator. $10 for TP and $10 for SL. Of course, it varies from symbol to symbol and time frame to time frame. When the signal forms, the panel counts buys, sells, wins, and calculates win rate. And this symbol and this period, you can see that the win rate is around 66. It can be more after you continue testing, around 70 or 80%. And more importantly, the strategy stays on the right side of the trend. You can tweak percentage, TP and SL, and symbol to fit your style. The tester gives you instant feedback. Okay, in a short time, I want to introduce you our MQL seller page, which you can find it in this address, and you can find this address in the description, first line of the description. And if you go to the seller tab, you will find all of our products that we converted from TradingView or popular indicators in the market or even utilities here, and all of them are working very well. And if you don't know how to download these products from MQL5 website, I will put a link in the above and you can watch that video, and in that you will learn how to purchase a product from MQL5, or even you can download the demo and test it. All right, at last, we hope that you enjoyed this video and we are looking forward to hear from you in the comments on our MQL page, and I hope you enjoy this product. Thank you for watching.